Have you ever wondered why? Some people make a lot of money while others struggle to survive. The only factual difference between the rich and the poor is the way they think. That is why the book by the phrase Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is so popular. Everyone is looking for some secret recipe to success. Everyone wants to be the fast track millionaire. Good news is, in today's technological age, it is possible to earn a lot of money fast and in an ethical way. More important than to earn money is to keep that hard earned money, and the best option is to make the money work for you. So you never have to worry about money. For this, you need to develop and master your money mindset. You should overcome your money blocks. Then you must do the work necessary to make money. The goal of this channel is to help you develop the right mindset toward money and help you in your journey to be rich. Subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out any of the upcoming videos.